Mr. Chairman, distinguished colleagues, for more than 3 decades, I have walked the difficult path of a journalist. It was never an easy job. I have faced threats, intimidation, and sleepless nights. But I stayed the course because I've always believed it to be my calling to give a voice to the voiceless, to expose corruption where it hides, and to seek truth and justice for every ordinary Filipino. It is for this reason that this committee is close to my heart. And now, as a legislator, I carry that same mission into these halls. This is why I filed Senate Bill number 1361, the Freedom of Information Act. Our people have long been promised transparency, yet today, many walls still stand between them and the truth. FOI tears down those walls. It gives every Filipino the power to know their taxes are spent wisely, who profits from it, from their sweat, and who among us betrayed their trust. Mr. Chairman, in these times when we continue to uncover revelations of large-scale corruption in government, the relevance of FOI cannot be overstated. The truth is the strongest weapon we can give to our people. Without it, there can be no real accountability, no real justice. Ang problema po kasi, matagal na pong nangyayari ito at matagal na po itong korupsyon sa ating bayan. Hindi lang po kasi pinupuna at hindi lang po kasi nakikita dahil pilit na itinatago. Itinatago dahil sa mata ng taong bayan. If we pass this Freedom of Information law, then it will give the power to each and every individual to check how their money is spent, how their government is working, at kung ano ang gagawin pa ng pamahalaan sa pera na kanilang pinaghirapan. This fight for transparency, Mr. Chairman, is not just about passing a law. It is about restoring faith in government. And when I say faith in government, all of us here who is in the government, affected po dito. Lahat po tayo. Dahil tingin po ng taong bayan, lalo na sa panahon na ito, lahat tayo na sa gobyerno, questionable ang kredibilidad. Tingin ng tao, lahat tayo na sa gobyerno, kumikita. Tingin ng taong bayan, lahat tayo may tinatago. That is why this Freedom of Information Bill will help neutralize at payapain ang pangamba ng kababayan natin. And I stand with this committee and with the Filipino people until the fight is won to get rid of corruption in this country. Unfortunately, ito pong problema na ito ay nakatatak na, embedded na po sa ating kultura. Now, the problem now is how are we going to stop it? Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. I will definitely work with this committee para maipasa po itong Freedom of Information. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair.